What's the meaning of A&E? AE. 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 A&E typically refers to the department of a hospital that deals with emergency medical situations, also known as the Accident and Emergency Department. This department is responsible for providing immediate medical attention to patients who require urgent medical care due to accidents, injuries, or severe illnesses. The personnel in this department include doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals who are trained to handle emergency situations. Patients who visit the A&E department are typically triaged based on the severity of their condition before they receive treatment.